This is a short video for my mama. It's not going to be pretty because I'm in work mode. We're putting a roof on my greenhouse because the plastic that was on it was no good. It was supposed to last 4 years and it only lasted a year and a half. After a couple of tropical storms, weather, the sun, it made the plastic brittle and it started leaking. So we're putting some new hard panels on the roof, hoping it's going to last for a while, but my mama can't be here with me and see the progress and see what's going on, so I'm making this video for you, mama, because she's on Facebook, and then you can see what's going on. I'm ready to go to work. I've got my driver, I've got my drill, and I've got all the screws ready to go. Get this thing set up. All I'm doing is putting up a few panels because me and Kevin worked yesterday and got most of it done, and the girls came home from school and they helped. Kevin did all the hard part, which was he helped with the panels, but he also put all the supports on the roof so we had something to screw to. And the only thing that's left is just putting panels up, and I can do that by myself today. So that's what I'm going to do. I want to get it all dried in. Got my screws, my drills, and I'm ready to go. As you can see, this is from the inside. This is one side that's already done, and the other side is mostly done. Just have a few panels to put in, and this thing will be done today. The end pieces, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. We're going to replace those with something. That's the back end, and then this is the front end. I haven't decided yet. Kevin's just waiting to hear what I want to do, whether we do the same panels as we put on the roof, or if I'm going to put plywood on it and paint it. I just hadn't made up my mind, so he's just waiting to see what I want to do, and when I decide, he'll make it happen. But I got to think on it. I don't know how I want to do it, and it's not leaking from those ends because there's slices in it, but it doesn't leak because it's double plastic. So I might wait a few weeks before deciding how to fix that, but it definitely needs to be changed to something. So these are the panels up on top, and it's basically just screwing them down one panel at a time. This is the peak. There's the house and the street. But I only have a couple more, three panels left to do. I've done a few here by myself today because Kevin had to leave. And let me get started. I'm just pre-drilling holes so that I can come back and put all the screws in. Really, the hard part is bringing the panels up without breaking them and getting them on top and holding the camera at the same time so I don't drop everything. That's all there is to it. So this is what it looks like from the outside. I don't really like the roof, the boards showing, but there's nothing I can do about that because it's clear plastic. I've got a lot of painting to do up there, and I've got some trim pieces to put up, but it's basically what it's going to look like when it's done. When this is all over with, I'm hoping it won't leak, and I can keep everything nice and dry. So that's the end of another day in my adventures.